In this second video, we're going to have a look at how you can log on to the Universal Job Search match and change some of your skill preferences and look at how you then search for work. If you remember, we started by going to www.gov.uk, and then you need to scroll down and click onto the link that says Universal Job Match Job Search. At the next screen you need to log in, and this is where you'll need to have a copy of your Government Gateway ID number. If you remember, we looked at this yesterday, and it was very important that you had this. So where it says user ID, this is where you enter your number. So I'm going to quickly put my number in, and it's also important that you remember your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the link and they'll send you an email which will give you instructions on how to reset your password. I'm going to type my password in and hope that I've put the right one. Before we continue, just have a quick look at some of the notes down here. When you have finished your online session, you should either close the browser or log out. Please do not use the browser back button, as it may not function as expected. So we're going to continue logging in. You can see up here it's showing us that we're now in the website, and it's got a list of some of the jobs that they're suggesting based upon the skills that I put in. Now what I'm going to do is change the skills that I put in. They weren't really suitable for the work that I'm looking for. So in order to change that, we need to go up here to the link that says profile. If we click on that link, it opens up and it gives you all the information that you put in earlier, and here we've got a list of the skills that you want to be matched against. Now I'm going to delete these, so you can click on delete and it takes that out. Click on delete there, and this one here is still got the retail asset management, so I'm just going to highlight that by clicking at the end, holding down my left mouse button and dragging it along to highlight it. And this time I'm going to type in office. The drop down list comes up with some of the options. Now I'm going to put in office suites. Now the reason I put this in is because I'm hoping that it will look up for Microsoft Office packages like Word, Excel, etc. I'm not sure, so I'm going to put that in because it may mean that it's about building office suites with furniture, etc. I'm going to click on add, and this time I'm going to type in word processing because I think I could probably do a job with word processing. We've got word processing and word processors. We've got lots of other things with wording, so if for example you were familiar with WordPerfect, you could put that in as well, but I'm going to put in word processing, and I'm going to also add word processors because the job descriptions may not contain both of those words, so if you look for those, it might give you more options. If I click on add, if I put in spreadsheets, let's see, all spreadsheets has come up. If I put in office administration, maybe, no, so I'll probably just have to put in administration. Oh, well, we've got business administration, so that might do, so we'll put that one in. Now the next thing to look at down here is this little box that we ticked yesterday, I authorise DWP to view my accounts. Let's have a look on the thing, on the question mark, and it comes up and it tells you the reason why you've put that in, so that they can use your basic data information to search for jobs on your behalf and save them for you. So it saves you searching, so it's quite a useful thing to do. And then we click on save, and that has updated your information. And now can you see that in the recommended jobs it's changed the recommended jobs? So that's the end of this short video, and the next time we'll look at some other of the options.